Will and would in if clause. Conditional sentences, English grammar. Will in if clause. Using will to express disapproval of a habit, example, to someone whose bicycle has been stolen. If you will leave your bicycle without locking it up, then you must expect it to be stolen, stressed. Using will to make a formal request. If you will sign the documents where I have indicated, we can arrange payment. Using would instead of will makes it even less direct and therefore even more formal. Second, would and if clause. In polite requests, would is possible in if clause. It would be nice if you would help me in the kitchen. Are you willing to help me in the kitchen? So that was will and would and if clause, conditionals, English grammar.